Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Tech Things 360. Today, we've got a wild ride in store for you as we explore the world of technology and innovation. We're diving deep into the realm of mobile apps, and I guarantee you've never seen anything quite like the 10 crazy apps we're about to unveil. Whether you're a seasoned app collector or just curious about the latest in app development, you're in the right place. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we're about to get crazy with these 10 unique apps. Countdown begins. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the RunPee app. It's perfect for moviegoers who don't want to miss those critical scenes during a restroom break. This app tells you the best times to take a bathroom break during a movie without missing important plot points. At number 9, we have the Hold app. It's designed for students and helps them stay focused on their studies. The longer you avoid distractions, the more points you accumulate to unlock rewards like free coffee and discounts. At number 8, we have the Air Radar app. It's a specialized application used for tracking and monitoring various aspects of air traffic. It is typically utilized for the following purposes. Air Radar allows users to track and monitor the real-time movements of commercial, private, and even military aircraft. This feature is beneficial for travelers and those with a general interest in flight information. Number 7 on our list is the Run an Empire app. It turns exercising into a real-time strategy game. You conquer territory by physically running or walking in the real world, adding a competitive twist to your workout routine. Coming in at number 6 is the Holder app. It allows you to open doors and interact with touchscreens using your smartphone. A handy tool for germ-conscious individuals. At number 5, we have the Tunity app. It's a must-have for sports fans. Tunity allows you to listen to live audio from muted TVs in public places like bars and gyms, so you can follow the game without disturbing anyone. Our number 4 pick is the I Am Rich app. It's a throwback to the early days of the App Store and is, well, a bit of a status symbol. It does nothing except display a red gem on your screen and lets you proclaim your wealth. Coming in at number 3 is the Walkie app. It's a community of people who wake each other up with a phone call. Whether you need a friendly voice to start your day or want to lend a hand to a fellow sleepyhead, Walkie has you covered. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Karamati app. It's a parking app with a pirate twist. Drop a pin where you parked your car and then follow the treasure map to find it later. A fun and memorable way to locate your vehicle. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Hold On app. It challenges your patience by asking you to press a button and hold on for as long as possible. It's a true test of endurance and a fantastic time waster. There you have it, our list of 10 crazy apps that'll either make you laugh, keep you focused, or simply leave you scratching your head. These apps are a testament to the creativity and innovation in the world of mobile app development. If you had a good laugh or discovered a new favorite app from our list, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Things 360 for more exciting tech-related content. Click the link below for video details.